Hi there, this is Ian with Road to Freedom RV Rentals, and I wanted to talk to you about why you should co-sign your camper and how it can help you earn some money while you're not using it. So, some of the benefits to renting with us is you can earn money when you're not using your RV. We also offer some free storage solutions for you. So, if you do consign with us, we will store the camper for free. We'll advertise and vet all renters, and we handle all the paperwork and delivery of the unit. The other benefit is that there's no insurance required by you guys. We will have the unit covered by our commercial insurance policy, which will cover the renters when they have the unit in their possession. Where will the RV be listed? We're going to list it on RV Share, Outdoorsy, RVZ, RV and Go, as well as our own personal website. Now, the platforms like RV Share and Outdoorsy, they have commission rates. So they do charge anywhere from 20 to 25% commissions before we receive our payout. RV and Go does not, but they also do not have as much advertising dollars spent to promote their website. Our website is obviously going to make us the most money. So if we can book them directly through us, we will. And with potential returning customers, our website is going to be utilized more this year, we hope, than in years past. What we do is we're going to manage the rental. We're going to advertise it for you. We're going to vet the renter. We're going to clean and stock the camper, and we're going to handle all of the paperwork. This is meant for you to just drop off the camper to us and allow us to earn you money while the camper is sitting. What's required from you? You do have to maintain your personal insurance policy on the camper. You are able to use the camper on your own terms. So if there are dates you want to block off, we will block those dates off and you will be able to utilize your camper whenever you'd like. We do require you to keep up with the maintenance items. So things like tires and brakes. These are items that you are going to be responsible for. We will work with you to drop off the camper at a specific location for it to be fixed, or if it is something that we can do here in-house, we will work with you to complete that. But any parts and any labor that is required to maintain or fix or repair the camper due to regular maintenance items is required by you. And then the last thing, and probably the most important, is you get to collect a paycheck. This is going to allow you to earn some money. Many of our consignment owners will earn anywhere from about $500 to $1,000 a month in additional income, or maybe it's just paying for the note on the camper, but it's a great way for you to earn some money rather than just paying on it. Now, what happens if the renters damage your camper? This is the number one question we get. Well, again, it's going to be covered by our commercial insurance policy. So if there is damage that occurs to your camper, we will file the proper claims to have it covered and have it repaired. We also collect a security deposit. All renters are required to place a security deposit on our rentals. This can range anywhere from about $500 to $1,500 based on the unit itself and based on the value. If any damages are greater than the security deposit, that is when we're going to file an insurance claim. When it comes down to the maintenance items on it, simple repairs can be done by us with your permission. So if there's a leaky pipe underneath the kitchen sink, that's a simple solution that we can do here at our location. But we do need your permission first. And again, you would be responsible for any parts needed. We would simply invoice you for the parts that were purchased to repair the leaky pipe, or maybe it's a stabilizer jack. Again, something easy that you agree that we can repair, we will do it ourselves. Now, a lot of questions we get is, why wouldn't I do this myself? Well, first is time. So when we first started our camper rental company, we didn't realize how much time it was going to take from delivering the camper to picking up the camper. Just one trip there can take 4 hours out of your 2 days. Also, when it comes time to cleaning the camper, cleaning the linens, doing the laundry for the towels, all of that is time consuming. So not many of you have the ability to do this outside of your normal 9 to 5 job. This is where we can come in and help. Also, if you are storing your camper at a lot, it can be a hassle to constantly be driving back and forth. If you are paying for storage, this is another great way to just get free storage for the unit and allow people to enjoy your camper while making some money. So why us? Road to Freedom Rentals is owned by myself, Ian, and my wife, Heather. While it's a small family-owned company, we do have large goals in this. We want to continue to grow and market our campers to those that need temporary housing for insurance claims, those that are just looking to go on vacation, and those that are maybe need additional housing for in-laws coming in town, or maybe you're going to your in-laws. We are trying to grow this and make it a business. And in order to do so, we're asking for your help. And that's to allow us to work and manage your RV rental, and while you earn upwards of 60% of the nightly rate. Again, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly. We look forward to hearing from you and hope you have a wonderful day.